All right, keyframes. That's what you're here for, so that's what I'm going to show you. I've got a video clip and I've got a simple text clip. It won't look good, but it's just to show you how the keyframes work. Now let's say I want the title to start all the way in the background, yeah? So I'm just going to move it around and I'm going to decrease the size and I'm going to change the position. It's time to create the first keyframe, and in Resolve it's clicking these diamonds right here. So this is the starting point. Now let's go all the way till the end of the clip, and it's over there, but I don't want it there. I want it to be around here, a little bit lower, and I want it to be the original size of 1. You see that this automatically becomes highlighted, and that's because you've clicked these ones at the beginning. Now let's play this clip, and you see that the text is gradually starting to change and grow as well. Now you might wonder, where can I find these keyframes that I just added? That's very easy. Just enlarge this a little bit so that your timeline gets enlarged a little bit, and then click this diamond right here. That will show you the 2 keyframes that you've created. Now just for the sake of this tutorial, let me place one here and let me place one there as well, so it's a little bit better visible. So now you see that the keyframes are here, 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 and here. And you can change them as well by clicking this symbol, and that will show you the position of the keyframes, and that will allow you to select them, drag them up, drag them down, or do whatever you want with them. So that's how you can work with keyframes in DaVinci Resolve.